Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to hide your address on Shopify. If you run an online store and want to protect your privacy by not displaying your personal or business address publicly, we will guide you through how to adjust your settings. Let's get started. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left part of your dashboard. Once you are in Settings, go to Shipping and Delivery. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will see the packing slip template. Click on it. We want to take a look at this template because, as you can see, your address is displayed here. If you want to hide it, find this section in the code. Scroll to around line 190. It should be in the 190 range, right here. You will see, "Thank you for shopping," followed by your store address. Now, simply delete these two rows. Highlight them and delete them. Then click Save. Now, preview it. As you can see, there is no longer an address showing on your Shopify store. That's it. We have successfully hidden the address on Shopify. Now you can manage your store while keeping your personal information more secure.